Wow, I just did a bomb ass intro and my computer wasn't recording. Wow. But let's try it again. So hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are doing a get ready with me, wait for it, Hooters Girl edition. Woo! I just wanted to show you guys like the type of makeup that I wear when I go to work. Technically I do all types of looks, but my basic everyday makeup look will be something similar like this, just bronzy and glowy, still natural but still glamorous. My hair is technically always different because I am always wearing a different wig or wearing my natural hair. But yeah, I am probably about to end this right here for now because I'm running late. Bye. going to work at Hooters, one, you always have to have your hair done because it always has to remain down. Always throwing on a pair of lashes. I feel like I have to go to work with lashes on. I prefer gloss at work because I just like the way my lips look all juicy, you know. But yeah, and then let me show you my outfit. You know, the boobies are out. I have small boobs. I'm a B cup. Most of the girls that I work with, they all have their boobs done. So in order for me to keep up with them, I wear a bombshell bra. I got mine from Victoria's Secret long time ago. And if you guys have any questions about working at Hooters, let me know down below. For the most part, I love my job. Working at Hooters is literally easy money. And it's a fun environment to work in. You get a lot of opportunities. You get to be glamorous all day. Sometimes that's a good thing. Sometimes it's a bad thing because I just want to roll out of bed, put my hair in a bun, and go. But I think it's kind of fun. You get to meet new people. We are very family oriented. For most people that don't know that, we are. Last night we just had kids night and it was just so much fun. You get to play with all the little babies. I love babies, love kids. Okay, so this is what we are looking like for work. Uniform is on, makeup, hair is done. I do have a run in my tights, so I'll probably have to get some pantyhose when I get to work if any of my managers notice. But yeah, I don't really like the orange outfit. I like the black one better. But lately I've been liking the orange. It's been looking good on me. Show you a little booty action. No, that little booty. Little booties matter. Thank you so much for watching.